Hello, beautiful soul. I have some very powerful messages for you from the rivers and trees and fresh air. I just came back from a walk and it's night time and it's so beautiful. But before I deliver that message, I want to ask you. No, first I want to show you my beautiful bow. Look at this beautiful art, that gods and goddesses have created through me, and this bow over here and my entire beautiful outfit. Now I want to ask you to go subscribe to my channel, and if you're watching me on Instagram, follow me and support your girl, share my videos, help your girl grow. And I also have my donation link in my bio, so you can donate for my rent and for my food and for my bills, etc, etc. I have to pay my 5 months of rent. Support your girl in her dreams, okay? And I have my journaling course and ebook, both of which are a very powerful resource for you in your journey to elevate your life, to connect with the the deep what do we say, creative gifts that you have. And also, like, in order to move through fear, move through anxiety, move through this uncertain energy that you keep feeling. It's very powerful. So both of that. And I also have my one-on-one sessions available, one-on-one psychic guidance session, and my 3 months of mentorship, wherein one-on-one you and I together, you will have a safe support system with me, and you have a personal psychic. You will be able to navigate your limiting beliefs that are keeping you small, the ancestral wounds that are keeping you in shame, in self-doubt, in limiting beliefs, in walking in this world feeling very small. I will be able to help you through them and put you in your power. And it's just having a safe system with a mentor, it opens up so much for you. So link of everything is in my bio. Now, the message that I received from trees and the fresh air, it is about, I refuse to exist in chaos. I refuse to exist in confusion. I am choosing to exist in deep calm, deep unshakable calm. I am refusing to exist in confusion. I am refusing to exist in drama. I am refusing to exist in chaos. I am choosing to exist in deep, unshakable peace. I am choosing to exist in deep, unshakable, uninterrupted harmony. And anything that I do it sophisticatedly, graciously, silently, and in the spirits of harmony, and in most positive energies. And when I say silently, I don't mean that it's not going to be big, loud, and people are not going to witness it. In fact, people are going to. But there is this, it's like, when we do something, share something, it happens in a most positive, calming manner. Over here, silence does not mean that it's like silence does not mean hidden. No, it's just that calmness, like when you know, yes, I deserve it, and you receive that thing. So there is not okay. So here, silently means is not a false show off. It wouldn't be a false show off. Whatever we do it sophisticatedly, calmly, graciously, silently, in the spirit of harmony and in the most positive energies. The work that we do in our relationships, in each interaction that I have with a human being, it only happens in the spirit of harmony. It only happens in the spirit of calmness. It only happens sophisticatedly, graciously. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, "Dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and I'm silently, harmoniously, and in the spirit of most positive energies. Every interaction with another human being and with the other beings of this world, and holding this intention and prayer deep in our hearts, and catching ourselves anytime when we are entertaining drama, whether it is in our thoughts or the stories or the scenarios that we keep creating, catching ourselves right there and then, and reaffirming that I'm choosing to exist in deep, unshakable calm. I'm choosing to exist in deep, unshakable peace. I am choosing to exist in deep, unshakable, uninterrupted harmony. And even if there are situations in life that are causing confusion, whether it's with other people and all, then you have to develop a practice. You can't be sitting in a room and just cribbing and overthinking. You have to get up and go out in nature. You have to do that. You can't be sitting there in your room and scrolling and expect a solution. No, it won't happen like that. You have to go there, go out in nature and talk to a tree. Tell a tree about it. Tell everything that is causing you a trouble, and you have to speak to a tree, and then tree will take care of it. Mother Nature will take care of it. Express yourself, your worry, your fears, your whatever is causing you confusion. And you also have to say, like, okay God, if you are putting people in my environment, whoever it is, the people in my environment, if you have put them around me, you also show me how to talk to them, how to look at them, how to treat them. Because we are constantly looking at people with judgments, with our own fears. And we are silently or secretly hating on them. So say this prayer that God, you show me how to speak to the people in my environment, how to look at them, and how to talk to them. You talk to them through me, God. You talk to your children through me. All these people, I'm sensing the confusion, I'm sensing the drama, I'm sensing the hatred inside of me towards them. God, but this is not true. I don't want to exist in it. They are your children and I want to treat them lovingly. God, create calm, create harmony. Yes. And what else? Just give me a moment. There has to be this strong skill inside of you, wherein you are talking, even if you don't like the person in front of you, you don't have to get your hatred, like don't choose the action in hatred. Maybe there is something that you don't like within other person, but don't let the hatred be the inspiration behind your action. You can sense the icky feeling that you are feeling around them, but don't let it don't let that be that feeling or emotion be the inspiration behind your action. That skill, this is a skill we have to learn when we are interacting with other human being, so that we are holding that, okay, this is arising inside of me, I'm feeling icky, I'm feeling this. Maybe I need to set a boundary, but I can do it in a loving manner. That does not mean, sometimes, you know, the most loving thing that you can do for yourself and other person is be assertive. Okay, but also like, okay, I don't like this person, so I'm gonna bitch about them, I'm gonna gossip about them, I'm gonna secretly keep sending hate towards them or the work that they are doing or whatever. No, don't be that. You know, you can observe your feeling, you can observe the hate, the ickiness or the hurt, you know, within you, and still choose to act in a sophisticated manner, you know. And sometimes it can mean like, sometimes it might be necessary for you to be assertive, but most of the time we have to be able to, you know, choose a gentler path, because not everyone is genuinely trying to attack us. Okay, yes, there might be somebody who is not conscious enough, but most of the time we have to observe the hurt, the jealousy, the icky feeling or whatever is arising, and we can hold it and still choose an action that is respectful towards the other person, you know, and towards yourself as well. Yeah. Okay, so about, I think this is, yeah, this prayer, like, God, you show me how to treat myself and how to treat other people. Dear God, you show me how to talk to myself and how to talk to other people. Dear God, you show me how to treat this situation that is causing trouble, confusion, lack of sleep, disturbed sleep, and anxiousness and fear inside of me. Dear God, you show me how to treat this situation, how to handle this situation. I want to look at this situation as you would look at it. These prayers are very powerful, and my ebook, you know, has a lot of very powerful intentions, prayers and verses that as you read them, go through them, you activate very powerful energies within your life. So link of everything is in my bio, my one-on-one sessions, my 3 months of mentorship, my journaling course. Okay, you need it. The wisdom that I have shared inside my journaling course is the exact wisdom that you need to elevate and expand into your next magical era. Okay, so link of everything is in my bio. Yay. Na 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 na.